Welcome. Today we are going to make Rava laddu. First heat the fry pan. Pour 2 teaspoons of ghee. Fry 10 broken cashew nuts until it turns to golden brown. Then fry some dry grapes, also known as raisins. Take it out once it is bulged out. Add 1 more teaspoon of ghee to fry the grated coconut. Now add 1/4 cup of grated coconut. Fry it approximately 2 minutes. Take it out once it turns to brown color. Now add 1 cup of semolina and saute it. Sprinkle 5 teaspoons of ghee into this. Saute it for some time, approximately 8 to 10 minutes in low flame. Please remember to keep stirring because semolina once hot, it can burn very quickly. Let it cool down at room temperature. Now add 3/4 cup of sugar and 5 cardamom into a blender jar. Grind it nicely. Add this powdered sugar into the roasted semolina. Then mix it. And also add the following: roasted cashews, raisins and coconut. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of ghee over this. Add 2 scoops of milk into the semolina mixture. Make sure the milk should be hot enough. Then mix it. Now take a small amount of mixture. Press and roll with your hands to form a round shape. Rava laddu is ready. If you like the recipe, please share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like the video. Thank you.